out. Okay, this is session 1. Just to know about what is full stack development in Java. Okay. Then in the last session, yesterday, that is, we discussed about an important concept like what are really the programming languages. Okay. Guys, everyone, have you remembered about the session, yesterday's session? Like what we discussed yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very, very good. Very good. Nice to hear you. So basically, there are two types of languages, right? Languages are categorized into how many types, guys? There are two types. One becomes the natural language and second one will become the formal language, right? And you know about what the natural language is and what the formal language is. Folks, we discussed about these things. Natural language is for human beings, right? To convey anything and everything. Whereas formal language can be used to convey only specific information. And you know, the programming languages are divided into three categories like binary language, and assembly language, and the next one will be the high level language. Okay. And we got to know in the last session, folks, we got to know in the last session about what, you know, machines can only understand which language, folks?
Binary language.
Machines can only understand what? Binary language. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. But can we write our applications in binary language?
No.
No.
No. No, we can't write our applications on what? Binary language.
Language.
Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes. So then, somewhat assembly language is better for the developers when compared with the binary language, because at least we have some words or keywords, or we can call them as what? Phrases like add, multiply, set, divide, mod, something like that. But what is the issue with the assembly language? Have you remembered anything yesterday? Anyone, folks, can you just tell me? Can you just tell me why assembly language is not preferable to develop the applications? Why the people are not writing the assembly language code?
Because it is processor based language.
Yes, it is a processor based.
Based.
Yes, exactly. Very good. Nice. Very good. Folks, you know what? If I write assembly language program for 8085 processor, then that code will only run on 8085 processor only. For example, if your mobile has 8086 processor, then what? A separate application required for 8086 processor, right? So the
Yes.
same application will not run on 8086 processor. Am I clear?
Yes. I
Yeah.
have a question.
Yes, sir.
What is the example of assembly language? Which one is like
I,
the
I mean, there may be some, for example, I think you know about the example of some like AS400, IBM mainframes.
yes.
Yes. So they are
Okay.
examples. Yeah, they are examples for assembly language.
Mm.
Okay,
Actually, I'm using
AS400.
like a mainframe
Mm,
in our
mm.
like a job. So they are still using like a COBOL and mainframe.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And Power Builder. That's why I'm curious. So
Okay, okay,
if
okay.
yeah, yeah. Thank you.
So, yeah. So, folks, then we got to know about high level language. So, here we can write our programs like the sentences in English. Okay, and it's easy for the developers to write the applications. Am I correct? But will the computer understand the high level language, folks?
No.
Guys,
No.
computer cannot understand the
High
high
level
level
language.
language. Computer cannot understand the high level language, right? That's why what are provided to convert this high level language code into the machine code? or binary language
Translator.
code, there is a translator
Translator.
available. Okay, right? For example, you take programming languages like what I told, Java. Am I right or not? Java or Python or C or C++. Folks, what happens in this case now? What will happen in this case? We are writing the programs in these languages, but computer cannot understand Java, or computer cannot understand Apex, or computer cannot understand C, or even it can't understand C++. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what are available in order to convert our programming, or in order to convert the high level language code into the binary language code or machine language code? That's
Translators.
where translators comes into picture. And I told yesterday, like, why can't we write programs in our native languages like Tamil, Telugu or Hindi?
There are no translators.
There are no translators available, right? If really we have a translator, then what can we do? If we
We
really
can
have a translator, then what can we do? We can able to
write in our own language.
write in our own language. But developing translators in our native languages, for our native language, for example, is a very tricky one. Folks, it's a challenge, right? Because I told the reason yesterday. Because every language will follow its own syntax. There is no common syntax for all the languages, right? In one language, verb comes first. Am I right or not? Object comes next. In some languages, object comes first and verb comes last. And in one language only, sometimes verb comes first, object next. Object first, verb next. Like that. I told yesterday, like object and subject. That's why we can't develop the applications in what? We can't develop the programs, or we cannot develop the applications in what? In our
Languages.
native languages. That's what the folks,
Natural language.
that's what we discussed in the last session. Am I clear so far? So that we will continue further in our today's
Yes.
session. Okay. Am I good so far, folks? Everybody, have you understood so far? Folks, everyone, have you understood so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's
Yeah,
very
let's
clear.
go ahead.
Yes, very
Let's-
understandable.
Yeah. Folks, today I will tell you in more detail. Please just a second. Yeah, folks. So let me add the date. Today's date I will include, folks, 27. It's 4. It's 2024. Hey, we'll start now. Let's understand about how generally we write the programs. First of all, I would like to take an analogy to understand. Writing the programs is not difficult. And I would like to once again repeat the same statement. What I told yesterday is what? If you learn one programming language, almost 80 to 90% of the same, the concepts will be available in all other programming languages too. If you learn one programming language, which is nothing but you learn multiple programming languages. Okay. So we have to discuss our concept in such a way that you should not feel difficulty in learning other programming language in future if required. Okay. So because here and there, the syntax may be different. Every language may follow, programming language also may follow different syntax. But more or less the program looks the same. Okay. So just to support my statement, I would like to take some analogy or example to tell you how do you learn the programming. Folks, am I clear? Let's start with that. Okay. Everybody, folks, am I clear? Let's start with the session. Are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready? Let's see here, folks. See, whenever you start writing the programs, okay? Whenever you start writing the programs, folks, understand that you should not, okay, you should not feel difficulty in writing the programs. I'll tell you why. If you know the basics, and to write any program in any language, the same analogy will be applied. Let's talk about that, okay? What I would like to tell you is, folks, understand. Suppose you want to write a paragraph. Suppose I'm talking about English. Okay, tell me, folks, if you want to write a paragraph. Okay, folks, tell me, if you want to write a paragraph, then first of all, you should know about how to write the sentences. You should know about what? How to write the sentences. If you want to write the paragraph, you should know about how to write what? Sentences. Am I clear, folks? Okay.
Yes.
Now, okay, to write paragraph, you should know how to write sentences. If you want to write the sentences, folks, are you getting my point? If you want to write the sentences, what you should know? How to write the
Grammar.
words.
Words.
Am I clear now?
Yes.
Yes. So tell me, if you know the words, then you will apply a concept in the middle called as grammar. Am I right or not? Okay. Words, you apply grammar to form what?
Sentence.
Sentences. And by adding multiple sentences, it is going to become what?
Paragraph.
Paragraph. Likewise, in English, coming to programming languages, folks. Programming language, if you take programming. Okay. If you read programming, if you take programming, folks. Okay. Programming. Tell me now, if you want to write a program, you should know how to write statements. Am I clear, folks? Everybody is getting my point? If you want to write the program, first of all, you should know about what? How to write statements. If you want to write the statements, okay, then you should know, understand me, okay, then you should know how to write the tokens. How to write the tokens. Tokens are nothing but what, folks? Token is nothing but a word.
Words.
Okay, tokens. Okay, please understand me now. If you want to write the paragraph, let me give from my existing doc, I'll show you. Folks, everybody just look at this. Please understand me. Okay, this is what I'm saying now. Okay, understand here, guys. Tell me, if I want to write the sentences, what I need? Words. Okay, but we need to apply something called as what? Grammar. Similarly, whereas when you come to programming languages, to write the program, what is required? Statements. Am I right? To write the statements, what you should know? Tokens. Are you getting my point, folks? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Folks, understand me. But we also should know about something called what? Syntax. You got the same thing which I'm explaining to all of you guys. The same thing which I'm going to explain all of you guys. Please understand my point clearly, right? Okay. Folks, tell me, like how we have grammar, what you should learn here, what should apply? Syntax. Tokens. Okay, you should apply something called as syntax. Then you can form what? Statements. Okay, by writing multiple statements, you can form what? Program. Okay, am I clear now? I'm just giving the two analogies, right? In English, if you wanted a paragraph, first of all, you should know how to write what? You should form the sentences. And if at all you want to form the sentences, first of all, you should know about what? Words. Okay, right? Now, just words is not enough. Now, you also should know about what? Grammar in order to properly align the words. Then you can form sentences. And through sentences, you can create paragraphs. Similarly, to write a program, first of all, what you should know? Statements. If you want to know about statements, first of all, what you should know? Tokens. Okay. Apply the syntax on tokens so that you can form what? Sentences. And with the multiple sentences, you can able to write what? Program. Am I clear, folks? Online folks, am I clear? Have you understood my analogy here?
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody?
Yes.
Everybody? Everybody, folks,
Yes.
have you understood about what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Look at this, folks. In any language, just I highlighted a point here, right? What? To write a paragraph, we should write sentences. And to write sentences, okay, we should write words aligned with grammar. Similarly, folks understand, okay? Similarly, what? To write a program, what you should know, folks? We should write
Statements.
statements. To write a program, we should write statements. Okay, folks, understand. And to write statements, okay, we should use or write anything. We should write or we should use tokens aligned with
Syntax.
syntax. So like in English, we have grammar, right? Similarly, folks, in English, we have what? Grammar. Similarly, what we have in programming here? Syntax. Syntax may be different from one programming language to other programming language. You take any programming language, there are 5 types of tokens are available. I'm not talking about only Java. I'm talking about Java, C++, C, Python, okay, .NET. Anything you take, folks. Anything you take. Okay, now, folks. Anything you take, there are 5 types of tokens are available. Okay. Everybody is getting my point? Folks, everybody, are you getting my point, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Like, words are also different types are there, like noun, okay, pronoun. You have something names like that. I didn't exactly recollect, but you know about that, right? Similarly, in any programming language, tokens are how many types? 5 types only. Okay, there are 5 types of tokens only, folks. I'm not talking about Java, I'm talking about any language. You take any programming language which contains only 5 types of tokens. Okay, what are they? One is keywords. Second one is identifiers. Hey, folks, everyone, are you understanding my point? You take any programming language which contains only 5 types of tokens. Are you clear, folks? Folks, am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Keywords. Second one is what? Identifiers. Okay. And listen, the third one, operators. And the fourth one, strings. And the fifth one, literals. Folks, tell me, I'm talking about Java or I'm talking about any language?
Any language.
Any language. You
Any
take C
programming
language.
language.
Yes. You take any programming language, folks. That what? Every programming language contains what? 5 types of tokens. What are the 5 types of tokens is nothing but in English it is called words. But in programming languages we are calling them as what, folks? Tokens.
Tokens.
Exactly. We are calling them as what? Tokens. Okay? Listen to me. In any programming language, how many types of tokens are available?
5.
5 types. For example, you take Java. How many types of tokens are there, folks? 5.
5.
If you take Python, tell me how many types of tokens are there in Python also?
5.
5 types.
5.
Like that, in every programming language, tokens are how many? 5 types. Keywords, identifiers, operators,
Yes.
strings, and
And
literals.
literals.
Literals means values. Like for example, 100, 10.5. Folks, am I clear?
Yes.
These are called literals. Literals means values. 100 is a value. 10.35 is a value.
Assigned to the
3.19 is a
keywords.
value. Able to follow me? They are called literals.
Yes.
So there
Mhm.
are 5 types of tokens are there in any programming language. Whether you are learning Java or any other programming language, but there any programming language if you take, that programming language only contains how many types of tokens, folks? 5 types. Am I clear with you? Am I clear with you, folks?
Yes.
Till now,
Yes.
am I clear with you? Folks, please give a response, okay? So that
Yes.
I can able to understand, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Coming to statements. Folks, any programming language contains 5 types of statements. Okay. Tell me tokens are how many types in any language?
5.
5 types. Very good. Coming to programming, any programming language contains how many types of statements?
5 types.
5
of
types
statement.
only.
5.
Exactly. 5 types only. Can you guess what are those 5 types?
Maybe comments.
Comments are not
Imports.
the executable statements.
Imports.
Loop.
Okay. Very good. Folks, anyone can please let me know. If you want to, please try to try to tell answer for
Statement,
sorry.
declarative statement.
Declarative statement means declarative in the sense. Any example that you can say me?
Printing statement.
Very good.
Control statement.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Folks, nice. Well tried. Well tried. See, any programming language contains how many types of statements, folks? 5 types. How many
5.
types? 5 types.
5 types.
Let me write. Out of this, I expected 2 statements from you, at least 2. One is input
Method and
statement.
call also.
One is input statements. Able to follow me,
Output
right?
statement.
Yeah. One is input statement. Second one is output statement. You take any programming language, folks, it contains input statement and output statement or not. For example, if you know C language, does anybody know about C programming? Does anyone know about the C programming folks? Anybody? Do you have idea on C?
Yeah, I do have idea, but
Yeah.
it's long back.
Okay, no problems. I think you have remembered about a statement called printf and scanf.
Yes.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Printf is for printing purpose.
Yeah. So printf is for what? Scanf is for what? Printf is for printing the output. Output statement. Scanf is for
Scan
reading the
it
input.
means like reading.
It is input statement. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
One more thing, folks. Yeah, just a minute. Just in the chart box, we have pasted the WhatsApp link, folks. So this is the WhatsApp link for our full stack development course. Please, for this batch. So please click on that link and please join yourself first. Everyone, folks, without missing it, because you will get all the updates in that WhatsApp link only. That's why in that WhatsApp group only. So please join this WhatsApp group, everyone, folks. Please join the WhatsApp
Yesterday
group.
itself I joined, but
Okay,
it
no
says
problem. If you have already joined, then it's okay.
like it says you have to get access. Like
What access?
the admin should accept it.
Okay, if you join, they have to accept it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they will accept it, no problems.
Okay.
Please, everybody click on this link, they will accept it. Okay? Is it clear? Guys, everyone, am I clear here? Now, folks, third type of statement is called memory statement. Okay. Fourth type of statement is called control statement. And the fifth one is called arithmetic and logic statement. Again, I want to tell you, folks, these are not the statements of any Java programming language. These are the statements of
Any program.
any programming. It doesn't matter whether you are in Java or whether you are in Python or C, C++. But folks, what? There are how many types of statements are there?
5.
5 types. Only 5 types. Every language has 5 types of statements only. Every language has 5 types of keywords only. If you know these 5 types of tokens and 5 types of statements, then you can happily write the programs. Because to write the programs, what you should know? How to write the statements. If you want to write the statements, what you should know? How to write the tokens. Able to follow me? Okay. Here and there, what will be different from one programming language to another programming language? Syntax. Okay, folks. Everyone? Folks, am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. So please understand. Okay. Good. Look at this, guys. Why 5 types of statements only? Any idea on that? Why every programming language contains only 5 types of statements? Do you have any idea on that? I will tell you the reason. Okay, I will tell you the reason. I would like to ask a question. Guys, do you know, folks, do you know, I think you might have written answer for this question also in your academic exams, like a 8 marks question or something. Do you know about block diagram of a computer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? You know, you are drawing one box and you are calling it as input device. Yes, you're drawing one box and you're calling it as input device. and you are taking one more box and you are dividing it into 3 parts, right? Just in a humorous way, I can say that this is the something called as upper berth, middle berth, lower berth. Like that, you are dividing into this box into 3 parts. And there is something called as output device. Guys, do you remember this? This is called block diagram of computer, and you have written some input device examples, keyboard, joystick, like that, mouse.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember this, folks?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then tell me, in this central box is called CPU.
Yeah.
CPU stands for
Central processing unit.
Processing unit.
central processing unit. Okay. And again, inside the CPU, you have something called as memory unit, control unit,
Arithmetic and logic
and
unit.
also, okay, arithmetic and logical unit, ALU. Do you guys have have remembered about this diagram, block diagram of a computer, which you learned long back?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. So please understand me. Like this, you're drawing one diagram and writing about input device, writing about memory unit, control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, output device. Like that, you're writing some statements so that you're getting 8 marks for this question in academics. This is called a block diagram of computer. This is called block diagram of a computer. Am I right or not? This is called block diagram of a computer. Block diagram of computer. Hey, everybody. Folks, this is called block diagram of computer. Do you understood about this one?
Yes.
Did you get this one? Tell me, folks.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me, folks. Input statement related to which device?
Keyboard, mouse.
That is called input device. Output statements will print output where?
Output device.
On output device, on monitor. Am I right or not? This memory unit will take care of processing the memory statement. This control unit will take care of processing the control statement. This ALU's block will take care of arithmetic and logic statement. Okay. From day 1 till today, our block diagram of the computer remains the same. You take a laptop or you take your PC, okay, anything you take, but block diagram never change. Block diagram will be same. Folks, am I clear? Hey, everyone. Are you getting my point?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes.
That's why, tell me, folks, how many types of statements are there in any programming language?
5
5
statements.
types. What is one?
Input statement.
Input statement. Input statements are given from
Input.
input device, from keyboard. Output statements will print output on
Output device.
output device. Memory statements will be processed by what? Memory unit.
Mhm.
Control statements are processed by which unit? Control unit. Arithmetic and logic statements are processed by arithmetic and logic unit.
Logic unit.
Yes, that's why, folks tell me, that's why, tell me, how many types of statements are there in any programming language?
5 statements.
I'm talking about these 5 types in Java or any language.
Any language.
Any language. Am I clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm
Yes.
expecting some response from you, right? Am I clear? Am I
Yes.
clear? Have you understood
Yes.
why 5 types only?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. I would like to ask everyone, only 2-3 people are talking always, but the remaining people are just sitting silent, right? Yeah. I would like to say Priya, are you? Lakshmi, Ramesh,
Yes, sir. Understand.
have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Kanchan Verma, Anjali, Anand, Anil. Please tell me, guys, have you understood about these, why that a programming language contains only 5 types of statements? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Good response. Okay. You can use either chat box or very good. Okay. Cool, guys. Cool then. Thank you. Thank you. Cool. Okay. So when we are going to start our Java journey, first we will start with what? We should know about tokens. Because if I want to start writing a Java program, first of all, what you should know, from where your journey should start?
From token.
Any language. For example, if you want to write a program in any language and you want to develop the programs and all, then tell me, first of all, your journey should start at where? Tokens.
Tokens.
After tokens, what you should know?
Statements.
Statements. If you know the tokens and statements, then you are ready to write what? Programs.
Okay.
Nice. Yeah. Did you got the concept now? So tell me, what is the journey? First, what is your journey? Our journey should start at?
Tokens.
Yes. Yes. Our journey should start at? Okay. This is for to learn Java or any language?
Any language.
Any language.
Very good. Any language. Our journey should start at tokens. Okay. After tokens, what you should know?
Statements.
Then you can able to construct what?
Programs.
Programs.
Program.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes. Cool. So as I said already to you, all of you guys yesterday, okay, the way how I designed and I am going to explain this Java is probably a unique way when compared with any other sessions. Or if you have attended or if you tried a demo session from any other, that these sessions are quite different and unique from the other sessions. That I can guarantee you. Okay, because we should find out the root. From there, we should start our journey. So that you people can able to understand the programming language and you will come out of the fear. First of all, many of you people are having what? Fear on the programming language. Can I learn this programming language? Or this language is very difficult for me? This kind of, confusion state you have, right? So in order to overcome that confusion state, you should start from the root and you need to find out the proper way of learning the programming language so that any programming language you can learn very, very easily. That's what the intention of this session, what I'm taking here is, I would like to make you go away from these tensions, go away from this, okay, this kind of fear on the programming. So try to start writing the programs, okay, and by starting from the root and try to enjoy the fruits. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, folks, am I clear now? Now, we will actually, I would like to start about the tokens, identifiers, operators, then strings, literals, the 5 types of tokens we will discuss next. Because we are starting with the programming today itself, right? We will like to start the programming next. But before that, we just want to know about what are the, folks, listen to me. We want to know about what are the different editions of Java. Because we want to start with our Java journey. Then we should know about what are the different versions in Java. Okay. So we want to go ahead with some kind of Java related stuff. Am I clear? Folks, am I clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go ahead, guys. Please understand. Let's go ahead. See here, folks. What I'm trying to say is, folks, what I'm trying to say is, I would like to go ahead with something which is related to Java. They are called editions of Java. Folks, please try to understand what editions of Java is. First, I'll talk about editions of Java. Then I will talk about versions of Java. Then we will go ahead and understand writing the installing the Java software. Then we will go ahead and understand about the keywords. That's called the first type of tokens, identifiers, operators. And we will also know about input statement and output statement and memory statement. So with the help of this, we'll start writing some programs. Okay. And while writing programs, initially first 2-3 programs we will write on Notepad. But later on, we will move on to IDEs. Do you know IDE stands for? Anybody have an idea on IDE?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Integrated development environment.
Integrated development.
Integrated development environment, right?
Yes.
Do you know about any examples of IDEs in Java? Anybody have an idea on that?
Eclipse.
IntelliJ,
Yeah. At least names you know, folks, right? Eclipse, IntelliJ
IntelliJ.
IDEA, or NetBeans,
CodeReady.
VS Code.
Yeah.
Clear?
CodeReady.
Yeah. Clear. Very good, guys. Very good. So do you guys, okay, do you guys need to know about all these things? Am I right? See here, folks. Let's talk about editions of Java. Actually, Java is one programming language. If you talk about some history of Java, as you know that Java was introduced in 1995. Actually, in 1991, okay, 1991, with a programming language name called Oak, OAK. Okay, in 1991, there was a programming language with the name Oak was introduced. But in 1995, it was renamed to Java. Okay, folks, let me write. In 1991, a programming language called Oak was introduced. Okay, folks. Next, what happened in 1995? In 1995, Oak was renamed to Java. Okay, right? And as you know, Java is a programming language developed by James Gosling and his team. At Sun Microsystems. Okay, at Sun Microsystems. But one thing to understand, folks, at Sun Microsystems. But Oracle acquired Sun Microsystems, I think around in the year, I think it's 2000 or so. Exact year, I don't know. But I mean, it's not required to know also, but still, I want to tell you. Later on, what happened? Oracle Corp means corporation. Oracle Corporation.
Sir,
Oracle Corporation has acquired.
Sir, in 2010.
Yeah. Probably, I think. 2009 or 10, that's what I have in my mind. But exactly, I don't know. Okay, if it is 2010, that's very good. Oracle Corporation has acquired Sun Microsystems. So, okay. So, Java is now from Oracle. So, did you guys got the point of this? Did you guys got the point of this? Everyone? Online folks, did you got the concept of this?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go ahead, folks. Sure. Now let's talk about editions of Java. I'll tell you what are the editions here. Okay? Listen, I'll tell you. Okay. Understand here, folks. When you come to Java, first of all, why Java is given in multiple editions? Okay. Folks, understand, based on the users and the types of applications that you would like to develop, the Sun Microsystems has divided this Java platform also into 3 editions. Okay. For example, folks, I will tell you, I mean, just to understand, everybody, you know, again, it's a database. Maybe you are aware of it or not, I don't know, but I just want to tell you something like this. Okay. If I want to develop only, let's say, I'm not getting correct examples for you right now, but okay, anyhow, I like to tell you something like that. See, if you want to develop only the software applications in Java for PC, personal computer, which I mean to say that I'm not developing a Java application to allow multiple users at a time to get the service from my application. So why do we develop the software applications? What is the purpose of developing software applications actually? Folks, why do we develop the software
Improve
projects?
the client business,
Why do we develop the software projects?
to improve the client business,
Yes.
to make human things easier.
Any idea on that? Why do we develop the software? Hey folks, are you getting my point or not?
Can you hear me, sir?
Why do we develop any software application? We develop the software application to help a business to run effectively. Folks, am I clear? So that the
Yes.
clients will get the profit. A business wants to get a profit, am I right or not? A business wants to
Yeah.
reach to multiple customers. A business wants to get profits by attracting the customers. Then tell me, in order to attract the customers and to grow, to make the business to grow, then tell me what they need. They need a software. Nowadays, you see any business, if they don't have any software application, will they grow? It's very hard, right? Folks, am I clear? Everybody, guys, are you getting my point?
Yes.
So, tell me, why do we develop the software application? We develop the software application for what? We are developing project, right? For what purpose are developing project? To help a business to grow by providing the service to multiple customers. Did you guys got my point? Everybody? Folks? Everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. See here, guys. Earlier, let me tell you, for example, earlier, suppose I have a hotel where people can book the rooms, but I don't have any website. I don't have any website. Then tell me, when I don't have any website, at that time, the people have to come to my hotel and check whether the room is available or not. Am I clear? Folks,
Yes.
online folks, am I clear now? And then if the room is available, they can opt for the room. They can pay the money, they can acquire it for 2 days or 1 day, something like that. Okay. But when did they come to know about that the room is available or not available? After coming to my hotel. Am I clear? Yes. In this way, if the more customers are coming and if, for example, the rooms are not available, then with a dissatisfaction, they will go back. Next time, they don't prefer to my hotel. Am I clear? Online folks?
Yes.
Yes. But what happened nowadays now? I have a website, which is nothing but what I have a software application. Now the people, without coming to my hotel, they can find whether rooms are available or not available. If the rooms are available, then they can book through online only. If the rooms are not available, they can prefer some other hotel. Am I clear? Folks, yes? Able to follow me? So by sitting in some other city also, they can book my hotel. They can book my hotel room by sitting in some other place, not in the local place, which is nothing but what my business is growing and reaching to the customers across the globe. For that, what application I need? Software. So this is where the software application is required. Am I right, folks? Okay, right. Tell me, folks. Okay. There are 3 editions are given in Java. Based on what? Based on the type of application that you would like to develop. Okay. Based on the type of applications, Java platform is divided into 3 editions. One is Java SE, which stands for Java
Standard edition.
Standard Edition. Okay, folks, the second one is called Java EE, which stands for Java
Enterprise edition.
Enterprise Edition. There is one more edition, of course, this is not used much. Java ME.
To ME. Mobile edition.
That is called Micro Edition, which is
Oh,
also called
micro.
Mobile Edition, whatever it is. Hey, folks. Did you got my point, everyone? Tell me, folks,
Yes.
how many editions are there in Java programming language or in Java platform, let us say?
3.
3 editions.
Java platform is divided into how many editions? 3
3
editions.
editions.
What are they? Java SE stands for what? Java Standard Edition. Second one is what, folks?
Java E.
Java EE, Enterprise Edition. Third one?
Java ME.
Java
Java
ME. ME means
Micro edition.
Micro Edition. Okay. Okay. Folks, if I want to develop standalone applications, I cannot understand what is the meaning of standalone application. Or we can also call as a desktop application. What does it mean?
Sir, application which is executed only same platform.
No. The application which I need to install and run in my system.
In the system.
See, for example, you take any mobile application. Any mobile application you take. Tell me, for example, WhatsApp is there. Then tell me, first of all, you need to download the WhatsApp application from Google Play Store. Am I clear?
Yep.
Folks, am I clear?
Yes.
First, go to Google Store and download the WhatsApp. Then you install the WhatsApp. Then you can use the WhatsApp. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, any application. You take any application. First, you go to Google Play Store. Download it first. Then open it and use it. Similarly, Java SE is given for what? To develop the desktop applications. Folks, Java SE is given or is used for developing desktop or standalone applications. Okay, what do you mean by standalone application, folks? Anybody can give me a good example for standalone application or desktop application? Anybody can give a good example on it?
Calculator.
Office, Notepad.
Very good. Yes.
Paintbrush.
Yeah. For example, folks, in my system, I don't have any Google Chrome browser. What should I do? I have Microsoft Edge browser is there, but I don't have any Google Chrome browser in my machine. I purchased a new laptop in which Edge browser is coming with the Windows operating system, but I don't have any Google Chrome browser. What should I do?
You have to download.
it from the internet.
First, I need to go to internet and download the Google Chrome browser software, browser application. Then you have to install it. Whenever you download something like exe file or something, you will get. Double click on that. Then it will install in your computer. Able to clear my point, folks?
Yes.
This is called what? Folks, this is called what? What kind of application it is?
Standard edition.
Standalone application or desktop application. Okay. I don't have any antivirus in my system. Folks, I don't have any antivirus software in my system. Now, folks, tell me, what should I do?
You have to purchase it.
Okay.
Have to
There are
again
free also available.
download from the internet.
Yes.
Will do the
there
better.
is.
Good.
First,
Download.
what should I do?
Download from the
First,
internet.
download it from internet.
Mm-hmm.
Then you need to install it.
Purchase it.
Able to follow me, right? I don't have any Microsoft Office software available in my system. Let us say I don't have Excel. Then let's say I don't have any Microsoft Excel in my machine. Guys, tell me what to do.
We have to browse and download.
We have to download
Install.
from internet. Then we need to install it. Able to follow me? Tell me, these are all called as what type of applications? Desktop applications. The applications which you need to download and you need to install. That is called, folks, that is called what?
Desktop.
Desktop applications. In order to develop desktop applications, guys, which edition of Java will be used?
Standard edition.
Standard edition. Folks, am I clear?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Folks, please
Yes.
give me a response. Don't sit ideal.
Yes.
If you're not understanding also, please tell me so that I will take another example to tell you. That's what I'm trying to say. Nothing more. As of now, am I good? Am I good with the subject so far, whatever I've explained?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
With the so far concept,
Yes.
whatever I explained, have you understood? Are you good with the so far explanation?
Yeah. Perfect.
So I'm expecting response from multiple people, guys. Please give me some response.
Yes.
Want to make our session more interactive, okay? It should not be like, folks, it is not like the one way which I am just only explaining and you are listening. Okay, we will try to interact with each other. Okay? We'll try to interact with each other.
Yep.
Folks, yeah, please tell me. Desktop applications are those which are downloaded and installed on a machine. Hey, everyone got it?
Yeah.
Yes. Download and installed on a machine. These are called what type of applications, folks?
Desktop application.
They are called desktop applications. Okay? Folks, tell me, if I download and install an application in my machine, then tell me only I can use that application in my machine?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
See, suppose, folks, suppose in your system, you have downloaded and installed antivirus. Can I use the antivirus installed in your computer to scan the virus of my computer?
No, it's not.
Possible.
It's not possible, am I right or not?
Correct.
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 Yes. What I'm trying to say now, desktop applications will provide the service to, desktop application will provide the service to
Only the texture.
one user. To the how many people? One user at a time. If I want to scan the virus of my computer, then what should I do? I also need to download and install that same antivirus software into my machine also.
Yes.
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 Then tell me, desktop applications will provide the service to multiple users across the globe or one user at
Never.
a time? One user at a time. Able to follow me? Software everybody can download. But after downloading the software, you have to install it. Then tell me, after installing that application, the application will run on my computer and will scan the virus of my computer. But it cannot scan the virus of other computer. Hope you guys are understanding my example very clearly. Yes?
Yes.
Hey folks, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you get my point? Everyone, did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good to know. So folks, what I'm trying to say here, I would like to say that desktop applications will run
Only in that particular machine.
on a computer and will provide
I think
the service to how many users?
One single user.
One user at a time. Able to follow me, folks? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, for example, you take Gmail. Folks, everyone tell me. Everybody we know Gmail? Tell me, are you downloading and installing Gmail software into your computer?
No.
No.
We are
Yes, the
using it
browsing.
from the browser.
You're not downloading, you're not installing. Just with the help of the browser, you are sending the request to gmail.com. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Are you downloading Gmail? No. Are you installing Gmail in your machine? No. Facebook, Twitter. Folks, what are you doing there? You're not downloading and you're not installing it. What are you doing? You're just connecting from your computer to that Gmail application available somewhere in the remote place. Able to follow me? Tell me, that application is running on your local computer or in another computer? Gmail, Facebook, they are running in other computer. You are connecting with it and you are getting the output. Am I right or not? Am I clear, folks?
Yes.
Everyone. Guys, if you take Gmail, somewhere Gmail application running in this computer. This is the network. This is a network. Through this network, this is your computer. So your computer, through network, it is connecting with another computer where the Gmail is running. Where the Gmail application is running. Hey, everybody, understood my point? This computer we are calling as server. What we are calling?
Server.
Server. Folks, am I clear now? Tell me, where is Gmail application running? In some other computer that we are calling as what? Server. It is there in this system, not in my system. This is my system. Hey, this is my system. Then my system I am calling as what? Client. Folks, everyone, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, are you downloading and installing the Gmail application to your computer? No.
No.
No. No. Tell me now, only this is my system. This is your system. Folks, tell me, your system, my system can connect to the same application?
Yeah.
Yes.
Which is nothing but, tell me, this application is now providing service to only one user like me or for multiple users like you and me?
Multiple users.
Multiple users. Able to follow me? Folks, everyone, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then tell me, to develop such kind of applications, we need what? One more edition given.
Enterprise.
What is it? Java Enterprise Edition. Tell me, folks, Java EE. Hey, Java EE is used for developing what? For developing what folks? For developing what?
Web applications.
Java EE is used for developing enterprise applications. Enterprise applications will provide the service to
Multiple.
enterprise applications will provide service to multiple users or businesses over the internet. Hey, everybody getting my point? Everybody got my point, folks? Online folks, am I clear? Please
Yes.
tell me. Please tell me, are you clear with my
Yes.
statement? What the next one,
Yes.
folks?
Yeah.
Yeah, what the next one? Micro edition. Hey, very good. Let's go ahead and understand what is micro edition. See, micro edition generally we don't use. Micro edition used for developing mobile applications. Everybody getting my point or not? What are the examples of enterprise applications? Gmail, Facebook,
Google Lens,
Twitter, IRCTC. Am I
Google
right or
Lens.
not? Okay. Whatever. IRCTC, blah, blah, blah. These are all comes under what? These are all comes under enterprise applications. Okay. Microsoft Office, antivirus, your calculator. Able to follow me? These are all called as what?
Yeah.
Desktop
Standard edition.
applications. Desktop applications. Am I clear? Yes. Tell me, Java EE, Java ME is used for developing. We don't need to discuss much on this. Just one statement. Developing what? Mobile applications. Guys, tell me, how many editions of Java are there? How many editions of Java is there, folks?
3 editions.
Editions are there. What are they?
Standard,
Java
enterprise,
Edition, enterprise edition, mobile,
This- yeah.
micro
This
edition.
standard edition is provided. The standard edition is provided to develop what applications only? Desktop applications.
Desktop application.
Enterprise edition contains more features, na?
Yes.
Enterprise edition is used for developing enterprise applications. Micro edition is only for developing
Mobile
applications. Then tell me, folks, we are not a mobile application developer. Okay. Tell me, guys, what and what editions of Java that a Java programmer has to learn?
enterprise edition.
Yeah. Tell me, folks, tell me. A Java developer has to learn what and what? Java SE and Java EE for developing
Desktop.
the software. For developing the software, applications or projects for the real time. Hey, did you got the today's class, folks? I would like to stop the session here, but I want to get confirmation from your end.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Today,
Yeah.
today, whatever
Yeah,
we discussed, folks, did you got the concept?
Yes.
Shall we get a recap of 2 minutes now?
Yes,
Yes.
Can anybody tell me what are the concepts we discussed today?
We discussed about the statements and as well as the Java editions.
Yeah.
Tokens.
Tokens.
Ah.
How to write program means
Okay.
first we should know tokens, then statement.
See, I told already if you want to write any program, what are required? If you want to write any
We need
program, folks,
state.
any language, I'm not talking about Java. Folks, tell me, if I want to write programs, what are required?
Tokens and
Token.
statements.
Sentences,
Statement.
Program.
Syntax.
statements are required. Programs we can write through statements. To form the statements, you should know tokens. Along with the tokens, you should know the syntax. Did you guys get clarity on this point?
Yes.
How many types of tokens are there?
5.
5.
5 types. What are the 5 types? Keywords,
Word.
Operators.
operators,
Identifiers.
identifiers,
Strings.
strings,
Literals.
literals. These are what?
Tokens.
5 types of
Tokens.
tokens. How many types of statements are there?
5 statement.
5 types. What are they?
Input.
Input statement, output statement, memory statement, control statement,
Control statement.
arithmetic and
Arithmetic.
logic statement.
Logical.
If you know 5 types of statements and 5 types of tokens, you can write the program in Java language or any language.
Any language.
Any language.
Any language. That's where you should be focusing on. Okay. Everybody got clarity on this?
Yes.
Why there are 5 types of statements only in any language? Why there are 5 types of statements only in any language?
Computer works on that.
Because as per the block diagram of computer, what are the different units we have? Input device,
on those 5 statements.
output device, memory unit, control unit, arithmetic and
Logic unit.
logical unit. This is called block diagram of computer. So totally how many types of statements are there? 5 types. Did you guys get clarity on this point? Everyone,
Yes.
am I clear?
Yes.
Very good. Then tell me, folks, after that we started with what? Java editions. Java editions, right? So tell me, how many editions are there in Java?
3.
3
Three.
editions.
What are the 3 editions of Java?
Standard edition.
Java platform. We
Mobile.
call entire Java as one platform. This entire Java platform is divided into how many editions? 3 editions. What are they? Standard edition,
Standard edition.
enterprise edition,
Enterprise edition. Micro
micro
edition.
edition. Folks, am I clear?
Yes.
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 Standard edition used for developing
Desktop.
desktop applications. Enterprise edition is for developing
Business
enterprise applications. Example of enterprise applications are web applications. Example. I'll tell you later. Web applications, business applications, CRM applications. These are all comes under enterprise applications. I'll talk about what is enterprise application separately, a session separately later. Am I clear, folks? Tell me, as a Java developer, what and what editions of Java you have to learn to develop the software projects for the real time?
Java SE and Java.
Java
Standard
SE
edition
and
and enterprise edition.
Java EE. Am I clear so far? Java SE means core Java. Java SE means what, folks? Core Java.
Core Java.
Java EE means advanced Java and frameworks. Advanced Java, Spring, Hibernate. I told some modules now, right? Spring Boot, Mike. These are all comes under Java EE. Able to follow me?
Yes.
Yes. Core Java is for Java
Standard edition.
SE. Java SE means core Java. So we started with our session of Java SE, which is nothing but core Java. Am I clear?
Yes.
Thank you, folks. Folks, we are going to stop the session for